Life Sciences and Quantabio are happy to present Quantabio's RT-qPCR solutions for COVID-19 testing. Quantabio is an ISO 13485 certified manufacturer to ensure manufacturing excellence and lot-to-lot consistency for every product. We combine engineered application-specific enzymes with our optimized Toughmix reagent to give superior product performance. Quantabio has a proprietary buffer formulation, our Toughmix, for DNA and RNA amplification to overcome these inhibitors. This has proved invaluable for the detection of respiratory viruses such as COVID-19. A challenge of working with clinical or environmental samples is that inhibitors in these samples can impede the RT-qPCR reaction. This is true both of extracted RNA, where inhibitors can be carried over through the extraction process, and even more so for extraction-free methodologies where there is no mechanism of inhibitor removal. The Toughmix buffer binds contaminants from a range of sources, allowing detection from inhibitor-rich, crude input samples. Quantabio's reagents have played a large part in the COVID-19 pandemic for virus detection. One-step RT-qPCR combines reverse transcription of RNA to cDNA and then qPCR detection, usually with a probe-based method. By having a one-step method, this increases sensitivity, reduces workflow time, and reduces chances of reaction contamination, leading to better results. The resulting fluorescence detection output can determine if the sample was positive or negative for the virus the assay tested for. In acute respiratory infection, reverse transcription qPCR, RT-qPCR, is routinely used to detect causative viruses. In the past, Quantabio has actively supported testing protocols for a number of viruses, such as avian influenza, polio, and other infectious diseases. Our mixes have been recommended in emergency use protocols by various public health bodies, including the CDC and the World Health Organization. Quantabio has 3 RT-qPCR master mix options formulated with the Toughmix buffer. Ultraplex one-step Toughmix is a 4x concentrated master mix with hot start RT technology for improved sensitivity and multiplexing capabilities up to 5 targets. The QScript one-step virus Toughmix was developed in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. It is a 2x concentrated mix optimized for low limit of detection for low virus titer samples. And the QScript XLT one-step RT-qPCR Toughmix is another 2x master mix, ideal for environmental samples. These mixes have been approved for FDA emergency use authorizations. For example, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention COVID-19 RT-qPCR panel recommends QScript XLT and Ultraplex for COVID-19 detection from extracted RNA. In addition, Ultraplex is the only mix recommended for the CDC heat treatment alternative to extraction, and for multiplex COVID-19 influenza AB testing. Ultraplex is also recommended on the FDA-approved Saliva Direct protocol, developed by Yale University for direct detection of COVID-19 from saliva samples. On our website, we have a number of resources developed in conjunction with our customers using Quantabio mixes for COVID-19 detection. We have an application note giving details of RT-qPCR with the CDC primer and probe sets with all 3 Quantabio mixes. There is also a specific application note detailing the development and implementation of high-capacity, extraction-free COVID-19 testing from swab samples with ultraplex one-step Toughmix. And there are also resources for virus surveillance testing in wastewater, such as this application note, detailing the use of QScript XLT one-step RT-qPCR Toughmix and the Q instrument for COVID-19 detection in wastewater in Utah, USA. Throughout the pandemic, Quantabio mixes have been cited in published literature. Here are just a couple of examples. Researchers at Oslo University Hospital, Norway, conducted a large study on risk factors for COVID-19 transmission using extracted RNA and QScript XLT one-step Toughmix. Another group at the University of Alberta detailed an extraction-free multiplex assay for SARS-CoV-2 detection using ultraplex one-step Toughmix. And another example from a public health body is the use of QScript XLT one-step Toughmix for the surveillance of COVID-19 in wastewater in England by the government body Public Health England. Thank you for your attention. Please ask for more information about our virus detection products or to discuss samples.